Hi, welcome to another video. Today, I will help you choose the 5 best small coffee makers on the market. I have made it based on my personal researches and I am trying to list those based on price, quality, and more.
We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting number 1, Ninja CE 251 12-cup coffee brewer. While this isn't the smallest brewer on the list, it packs a lot of features into a relatively narrow design, including a 12-cup carafe and a 60-ounce water reservoir. Ninja coffee makers get good reviews overall from users who appreciate the multiple brew settings and the flavor of the coffee. A proprietary thermal extraction process gets the best flavor from the grounds and avoids excess bitterness. If you're in a hurry for the first cup, you can pause the brewing so you can pour your cup without making a mess. When all you want is 1 cup, this brewer can do that too. This can be programmed to brew your coffee up to a day in advance, and even the warming plate is adjustable. It can keep your coffee warm for up to 4 hours, or it can automatically turn off after 2 hours. A permanent filter is included, which saves you money and cuts down on paper waste. Product number 2, Bodum 17-ounce pour-over coffee maker. This little pour-over device is affordable, easy to use, and saves more space in the kitchen than even the slimmest electric coffee maker. Its elegant design is similar to that of a Chemex, rounded glass body, cork or rubber band, but it comes with a permanent stainless steel filter, so you won't have to buy countless paper ones. Capacity might be an issue for the true coffee lover, as this model only holds 17 ounces, roughly equivalent to 2 or 3 cups of joe. However, Bodum also manufactures the item in 2 larger sizes, 34 and 51 ounces. Customers give the Bodum pour-over high marks, especially regarding its value for money and easiness to clean. Simply remove the cork or rubber band and toss the item in the dishwasher. A scant number of reviews mention chipping or breaking, but this is to be expected of any glass coffee maker. The size and price make it a great gift option, so keep it in mind for holidays, birthdays, or just because days. Product number 3, Cuisinart 4-cup coffee maker with stainless steel carafe. This petite coffee maker from Cuisinart has a 4-cup carafe so you can make enough coffee to share or enjoy by yourself, and it has a pause feature so you can grab your first cup before the brewing is done. An indicator light lets you know that the coffee maker is on, and the warming plate turns off after 30 minutes, so you don't have to worry about it burning if left unattended. While it doesn't have as many features as larger coffee makers, users say that it makes a good cup of coffee. The carafe is made from stainless steel, so it's unbreakable, while the knuckle guard keeps your hands from the hot pot while you pour. Product number 4, Zojirushi Zutto 5-cup drip coffee maker. While brewing coffee with pods is certainly convenient, it can be expensive and create a lot more waste than ground coffee. This slim 5-cup brewer saves space and eliminates waste, letting you use your favorite grounds. Other perks include a removable water tank for easy filling and a keep warm plate that can be turned on and off with a side-located switch. The Zojirushi Zutto coffee maker has widely positive reviews, with customers saying the coffee is consistent and that the machine is easy to clean. One common complaint is that the water tank is prone to leaking, but this does not happen to most users. The company provides a 1-year warranty should this be an issue. Product number 5, Nespresso Inissia espresso machine with Aeroccino milk frother. While the Nespresso Inissia is more of an espresso machine than standard coffee maker, this tiny item is excellent for crafting specialty drinks like lattes and cappuccinos while saving space in the kitchen. The Inissia is often sold in a bundle deal that includes an Aeroccino milk frother. Depending on your preferences, it can be more convenient that the coffee maker and frother are 2 separate pieces as they'll be easier to store. The Inissia only takes original Nespresso capsules and can brew 2 different cup sizes, a 1.35-ounce espresso shot and a 5-ounce lungo espresso. The water tank is on the smaller side, as expected, but it brews lightning quick at less than 30 seconds. Like most Nespresso machines, this item is extremely easy to use and can be depended upon to make consistent drinks for years to come.
So if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.